Many people think their phone is safe just because they use a password or fingerprint. But the truth is, there are much deeper security settings available on modern Samsung phones. One UI. These are settings that many people don't know about. And if you enable them, they can make a huge difference in protecting your data and privacy from any hacking or spying attempts. These settings are called advanced protection, or sometimes they appear under names like auto blocker or maximum protection. Let's break down each part, look at the pros and cons, and understand why this is so important. Stay with me. How do you access this menu? Open Settings. Select Security and Privacy. Tap on Auto Blocker. You can also get there faster by searching in Settings for Auto Blocker or Maximum Protection. This feature is available on Samsung devices running One UI 5.0 or later. That's Android 13 and above. First, Auto Blocker. This is the most important part. When you enable it, you gain full control over what enters your phone. Blocks installation of apps from unknown sources. Anything outside Galaxy Store or Play Store. Blocks apps from being installed via USB cable to prevent spyware from being transferred from a computer. Blocks harmful images in messages. Blocks unofficial system updates to prevent installing modified systems with vulnerabilities. Second, maximum protection. This menu becomes available once you enable Auto Blocker. Turning it on is like activating full shield mode. Prevents device admin apps that hackers could use to take over your phone. Disables 2G connections, very important since 2G networks are extremely easy to spy on and intercept data. Performs daily scans of installed apps to ensure they are safe. Despite all these benefits, there are some downsides when you enable these features. Restricted freedom. You won't be able to install apps outside official stores. USB issues. Harder to transfer or install files from your computer. Network limits. In areas with only 2 EG, you won't be able to connect. Minor inconvenience. Images and links won't automatically show in messages. Less convenience. Turning on maximum protection may slow down or restrict certain features. In the end, Samsung's advanced protection is not just a regular setting, it's a complete security shield. It gives you peace of mind that even if you open something suspicious, your phone won't let it reach your data. But you need to understand the drawbacks so you don't get frustrated and choose the settings that suit your usage. I hope I've given you useful information. Waiting for your support. See you in the next video.